Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about the aggregate functions in SQL. So we are having the following aggregate functions: AVG for average, count for the number of records, min for the minimum value, max for the maximum value, and sum for the sum of values present in a particular column. Okay. Now I'll start with the I'll show you the existing table, which is album. So it has the following records. So while start with the average, I'll have to apply AVG on a particular column, which is artist ID. Okay, so what it will do, it will take the sum of all the artist IDs and divide it by the number of rows we have. So if I execute it, so this is the average we are getting here, 122.3821839008. So we can apply it on another column called album ID. Okay, we are getting this. Similar way we can apply the count on a particular column. So okay, so if I execute this, so I'm getting the 348 records associated with the album ID. Okay, we can apply count on a distinct values, like we have artist ID, uh, where we don't have the all the unique values. So it will still give me the number of records we have in the album. uh, for giving us the distinct artist IDs, we can apply distinct artist ID, and then see there are 204 distinct artist IDs. And if we apply this for album ID, so it will give me the 348, which is equal to the number of records in the album table, because uh, album ID is a primary key. So in the similar way, uh, we can use the another aggregate function, which is min. The minimum album ID, which is 1. The maximum album ID would be 348, and the last is the sum. If I want to calculate the sum of all the values present in a particular column, okay, so it will give me the sum as well. So that's how we can utilize the aggregate functions in SQL. Now we have another table with the name artist. So it has another column with the name amount. So what we can do, we can do some examples with the aggregate functions, like what if one of the record is having a null value in the amount. Let's see what result it would give. Update artist set amount equal to null, where artist ID is 1. Okay, so it's set, and we can apply the sum on amount for sum of amount on artist. Let's see what it comes. It will still give me the amount, but it will it will not, it will just remove the a field with the null value. What happens for the count? Yeah, so there are total 276 records, so it will not count the record where the amount is null. Okay, so in the max, it will still remove the uh, you know field with a null value. Same for min. So that's how these functions deal with the null values. So instead of saying that null values are being removed, we can say that null values are being ignored. Like in the sum, all the values are getting summation except the null value, because null value doesn't mean anything here. Uh, and in the case of count as well, it just ignore the null value in the max and min as well, and in the average as well. Okay.